What's up, you guys? We got a 2019 Hyundai Kona here. Wiper blades are bad, as you can see right there. So I'm gonna show you guys how to replace these wiper blades, and a small little trick. So we're gonna replace both of these wiper blades. Let's take a look at the second one here. So I got the parts coming. Customer agreed to do it, and this one looks okay, but we're gonna change it together. Let's go to the back. There's one in the back. So we're gonna be replacing all three. Okay, the one in the back is coming apart, as you can see right there. So we don't want to destroy it yet, but it's gonna be very easy to remove this guy. So pretty much to take off this wiper, a lot of people will not see any clips or anything like that, but I'm gonna show you a small little trick. But let's leave this alone for now and wait for the new wiper blades. So we got all three wiper blades. What we're gonna do is we're gonna start from the front, and every vehicle has a different part number. So this is the front, it's a 26, and we got like a 12-inch wiper, and then here's the 16-inch. So get the correct wiper blades, and let's move on to the front of this vehicle and start the job from the front. And it's gonna be easy for you to save 60 to 80 bucks on this vehicle. Okay, to start off, what you want to do is make sure you have your wiper blade here ready, and it's ready to go on. So let's take this out of the package softly. I'm gonna put it right here. I don't want to damage nothing. There's a couple of adapters in there, but if you need that adapter, I'm sure you'll be able to find out how to put it on. But this thing comes ready for this vehicle. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna lay it down right here gently. What you want to do is you want to lift this guy up. Okay, right now it's okay, you can leave it like that, but once you take this wiper off, you don't want this thing falling down, okay, because the metal is gonna crack your windshield. So what you want to do is you want to simply just want to open this guy right here, and then you should be able to pull it down if you have this type of wiper blades. And if you have a different type of wiper blades, you're gonna have a little clip down below right here, like this one has right there. You know what, I'm gonna slowly let this go so it doesn't fall, but I would suggest you don't let it go. But this is the clip that you're gonna be pushing down, okay, that little guy. But now that clip is gonna click as we go in. You hear that? And then try to pull it down. It shouldn't come down. And what we're gonna do is I'm gonna go on the opposite side, do the same thing. So let's go on the other side. Don't put this wiper down. I'm gonna show you one small little trick after this. So we're on the passenger side, same thing. Have your wiper ready. We're gonna take it out of this package and throw it this way. All right, so what we're gonna do here is same thing. Let's hold this up, do not let it go. You're gonna pop this guy right here, and put my screwdriver back in my pocket. It's gonna be very dangerous, this one, because this one can fall easily on the passenger side, so you wanna be careful on this side. So never let it go. Put something soft on your windshield if you need to, a towel will do. And what you wanna do is, you wanna take this guy and clip on it. And that's it. And then you try to take it off by pushing it down, it should not come down. Now what I'm gonna do is, let's remove all this. I'm gonna go get a small little wet rag. I just wanna clean the surface. You can even do it by hand. You know what, you don't need to go get a rag. Do it by your hand. This dirt right here, once it catches onto the blade, pretty much once it touches and it goes underneath it, it's never gonna come out. It might leave lines behind. So best thing is to clean this guy off. And then what you wanna do is, once it's nice and clean, you wanna take this guy off, let your wiper sit, and make sure the wiper doesn't come off. What I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna go on the opposite side and do the same thing. Just like so. Clean it really good. You can use windshield or water fluid, anything you like. Same thing. Take this guy off. Make sure this wiper doesn't come off, and bada bing, bada boom. I'm gonna go inside the vehicle and I'm gonna test the wipers. Nice and clean. Nice and clean. Okay, you can even do it at this position right here. You see that? All I did was put the wipers on as soon as it came up here, and I turned the key off. But anyways, there you guys have it. And now we're gonna move on to the back. Now I had to get another wiper because the other one was wrong. So this one is 11-inch, and there's a number there, 11.8. So make sure you get the correct wiper. So we're gonna do the same thing. Have this one ready, That's what it looked like, okay? So if you look at this little notch in the center here, it's not it's perfectly round, but in the bottom, if you look from the bottom, it has a flat spot. So this wiper goes in this direction, okay? And the reason why I show you that is because this wiper, all you have to do is that, okay? You see that? How it came out? Just grab it, make sure you grab this so it doesn't fall, and just do that and the wiper comes out. So to put it back in, you're gonna do the same thing. You're gonna have to start right here, it clips right in, and all you do is, okay, did I have this the right way? Okay, no I didn't. So it starts here, so make sure you have it like that, okay? The opening has to be in the bottom so it can go down here. So this goes in, and it clips right in. Same thing, clean the surface. You can use a wet rag, and then put this down. And you're all done. Thank you for watching, see you guys on the next one. So pretty simple. And this wiper was gone. See that? It was done.